Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Oracle DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Oracle certified for free. So, Race to Certified 2025 is going on Oracle. So, we'll go through the step-by-step process in this video and we'll get free certification in following technology areas. So, four areas you will get the certification. So, OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, AI, Artificial Intelligence, and Multicloud, and last is data. So duration is going on 1st of July 2025 to October 31 2025. This race to certification 2025 will be going on. Campaign is going on. So key highlights is that 100% free Oracle certification exams, access to free learning content, opportunity to build skill on cloud, AI, data management, and multi-cloud strategy, and ideal for IT professional, student, and developer. So just remember this is ideal for you or not. So IT professional, student, and developer. So first question is that how to participate on this. So you have to sign up via the Oracle University official race to certificate portal. So this is the URL. Let me open this URL and step by step I'll tell you about this. So open this URL. So this is the page race to certification 2025 and OCI, AI, multi-cloud, and data. There's a four key structure is there. So get certified free for July 1st to October 31st 2025. So get started. There is a four key areas. In AI, we'll get the OCI AI Foundations, OCI Generative AI, Oracle AI Vector Search, and last is OCI Data Science. And inside the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, there is a Foundation, OCI Architect, OCI Migration Architect, and OCI Networking. And this is a multi-cloud. In multi-cloud, then OCI Foundation and OCI Multi-Cloud Architect, and last is data. Inside the data, Oracle Data Platform, Oracle Autonomous Data Cloud, Oracle Cloud Data Database Services, Oracle Apex Cloud Service Developer, Oracle Analytics Cloud, MySQL Web, Hit Web Implementation, and Associate. So these are the key points. So let me full page. So start learning now. So you can start learning from today. And archive level 1, complete one digital course, pass one certification exam. Okay. Then you will earn one certification exam attempt valid until October 31st, 2025. Arrest to certification level 1 digital achievement promotion kit. Okay. And NOU learning community level 1 digital badge, ranking on race to certification 2025 leaderboard. Achieved level 2. There is a complete more than one digital course, bring your total course completion is 2. Pass another certification exam, bring your total completion to 2. You will earn one additional certification exam attempt until 31st 2025. A race to certification level 2 digital achievement promotion kit and OU learning community level 2 digital badge and a ranking to race to certification 2025 leader board. And this one is achieve level 3. So complete 2 or more digital courses bringing you to total course completion to 4. Pass 2 or more certification exam bringing your total exam completion to 4. You learn one additional certification exam attempt until October 31st 2026. A certification level 3 digital achievement promotion kit, OU learning community level 3, and ranking of the rest to on the leaderboard. So these are the things you will get, and these are the exam up to October 2025. And last, if you go for the achieve level 3, you will get additional certification exam attempt up to 2026. Just remember this one. Okay. And race overview I am going to show you. So here start now, you have to join the race. Just click on the join the race. Here is the join the race. If you click this one, it will open the URL and log in with the single sign in SSO, okay, and password. Register yourself. And main thing is that two free exam attempt credited to your MyLearn exam wallet and access to learn videos. These are the list of the exams are there. AI, there is a 4 exams, okay, and OCI there is a, I think, 4 4 8 approx 10 exam, 4 9 exam, 9 exam, and multi-cloud 2 and data platform 6. So after you complete level 1, allow 1 to 2 week to Oracle University Learning Community Budget to be visible on your account. After you complete a level, allow 1 or 2 weeks to the certification attempt to be added to your MyLearn exam wallet. And top 500 winners will get the awarded prize and notified by email at the end of the promotion. So just start today. So just click on the join the race. So let the page open. So this is the page. Just like I'm going to for the data, you select your choice. So Oracle Data Platform, I'm just clicking here. So race to certificate 2025 live now. Activate once you get free certification of AI, OCI, multi-cloud and data available up to October 31 2025. Okay. Upskill for the free and complete the exciting prices. Visit race to certified. So this is the page. So these are the pages I have completed. So just I am showing you the how to complete. So just click on this. So Oracle data, there is a 6 hour 40 minutes approx. So run the video one by one. Okay. When you start the video and just keep watching and just learn some from this, and when it will come to the last, it will complete. It will complete, then go to the next like this. You can complete this, and last you have to score 80% or higher to pass this exam. So I have scored 100%. So just view on the this one skill test, and here you will get a start, and you have to give the answer of these questions. Okay, the next there is a 4 pages. Okay, 3 and 4 pages. When you will complete, just click on the summary, and last you just submit the test. After submitting the test, it will uh, show you the your score, and the score must be greater than 80% or higher. Then only you will just pass for the passing this exam. You need to 80% or higher. Okay, so like this there are 10 modules are there. You have to complete all the modules, all the exams. Approx every module have one exam, only 6 module don't have exam. So when you will complete this one, go back and complete the second one. Like this you can complete all the things, and last we'll go for the online certification exam. In this exam we have to register. I'll show you in next video how to register in this exam. Okay, so complete this one, get certified on the free from the Oracle, and just participate on the race to certification 2025. So this is the process. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.